How to use J.E. Dunn Construction Review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. J.E. Dunn Construction is a leading construction company, but beginners often misjudge how to evaluate their projects or services properly. Here's how to avoid common mistakes. The first mistake is relying solely on the company website. Most people get this wrong by assuming marketing materials tell the whole story. Look for third-party reviews, project photos, and testimonials for a realistic perspective. Second mistake, ignoring project scope and budget details. You won't believe how many clients focus only on timelines. Understanding detailed project plans, material quality, and cost breakdowns is essential to avoid surprises. Third mistake, neglecting communication channels. The surprising truth is clear communication is crucial. Make sure to understand the point of contact, reporting schedules, and how issues will be addressed. Fourth mistake, skipping references. Beginners often fail to contact past clients. Speaking with previous customers provides insights into reliability, problem solving, and overall satisfaction. Finally, not reviewing safety and compliance standards is common. J.E. Dunn emphasizes safety, but it's your responsibility to confirm OSHA compliance, environmental standards, and certifications for peace of mind. By researching beyond the website, reviewing project scope and budgets, prioritizing communication, checking references, and verifying safety standards, you can use J.E. Dunn Construction Reviews properly. Avoid these beginner mistakes to make informed decisions and ensure your project is successful from start to finish.